Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Ultimate Speed Vehicle Diagnostics and Scanner Tool OBDII, the model USOBD A1, suitable for European, American and Asian vehicles with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manuals. And there it is, with 1 meter cable, the OBDII connector for your vehicle, the display here with total 5 buttons and 3 LED indicators. The green indicates that engine systems are running normally, the orange indicates there is a possible problem, and the red LED indicates there is a problem in one or more of the vehicle's system. We have the up and down buttons, the back button, and another to make a selection or save changes. And the FN, shortcut to OBDII test function. Small, thick and portable. And you can have it at your vehicle. Some information's at the back. So let's move on and test it, connect it to my vehicle and find out if I have any problems. The display, you can see very clear all the options, OBDII and EOBD. You can choose IM monitors, system test, waveform, QR code, setup, language, choose one of the 7 languages, unit measure, FN key set, usual data stream, all data stream, IM readiness, read codes, DDS lookup, and let's run. DDS-C in the ECU 0, monitors OK 6, INC 0, monitors 5, ignition and spark, nothing else. Generate report, yes, please wait. The QR code, and I can scan that with my smartphone. And there it is, vehicle ID number, and we can see the informations. No vehicle brand, and you can save that. Saving data 1, IM monitors, and we can see here the informations and the green light, that means it is okay. System test, cranking test, exit to return. After stop the engine, enter for testing cranking system. Okay. Start the engine. Crank voltage 11.5, crank time 740 ms. Normal, green light. QR code again, saving. That's how you can see all that at your smartphone. Let's run again. Okay, we need to switch off the engine. Start the engine. Crank voltage, crank time, it is normal, green light. Again, scan the QR code. Normal, we can see all the informations. Saving data to. Charging test. Press the accelerator and hold the engine speed between 2500 and 3000 RPM for 10 seconds. Turn on the headlights and the air conditioner headlights. The engine idle for 10 seconds. Okay. Turn off the headlights and the air conditioner. Okay. Just some lights. Unload voltage 14.21 volts, load voltage 14 volts, ripple voltage 25 MV. Green light, it is normal. QR code again. And here is all the information at your smartphone. Data saving, back, waveform, and it is live. I can enter again. QR code, code diagnosis, QR code 1, and we have all the QR codes. Cranking test, first and second, charging test, delete results if you want, and again you can go at the setup. Just love it. FN key set, usual data stream, and if I will press the FN, we can see in the RPM is increasing, the load, temperature, MAF, TP, distance. At the moment I am at stop. Another temperature here, ECT or EAT. I like it, so many informations. Let's go back, FN key again, all data stream, FN key, and again here we can see load, the temperature, EST, RPM again, FN key set again. Already we have seen these, the IM readiness, By pressing again, you have these results. Read codes, STDDS, current DDSC. The vehicle has no fault codes. Again, I like that. Perfect. The most striking thing was how quickly and easily diagnostic trouble codes could be read, vehicle information monitored, and useful insights gained before heading to a repair shop. If you ever had the check engine light appears on your dashboard unexpectedly, you'll know how frustrating it is to pay 50 or 100 euros just to have a mechanic plug a scanner into your car and tell you that it was just loose gas cap or dirty sensor. Having this little device in your glove compartment gives you instant clarity. You can read the exact code and find out whether it's a minor fix or serious issue before you go to a mechanic. Considering the tiny price tag, only 30 euros, it easily pays for itself the first time you use it. If you found this video helpful in deciding whether the Ultimate Speed is the right diagnostic tool for you, please like and subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive tools, DIY repairs and hands-on tech reviews. Thanks for watching, drive safely, keep your vehicle in top condition and I'll see you in the next one.